Welcome to Global City Guide. Let's explore Kingston. Kingston is a city located in eastern Ontario, Canada. It is the earliest capital of Canada and has a rich history dating back to the 17th century. Kingston is known for its scenic waterfront, historic sites, vibrant arts and culture scene, and excellent educational institutions. It offers a unique blend of urban and outdoor experiences, including parks, museums, theaters, and shopping and dining options. Kingston is a popular destination for tourists and residents alike, offering a diverse range of cultural, recreational, and educational opportunities. Top 10 places in Kingston. 1. Fort Henry is a historic fort in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Built in the mid-19th century, it played a significant role in several wars, including the War of 1812. Today, it is a National Historic Site open to the public as a museum and tourist attraction, offering a glimpse into Canada's military and cultural history. Visitors can explore fortifications, barracks, and learn through exhibits and guided tours. A popular destination for history enthusiasts, school groups, and families. 2. Kingston Penitentiary was a maximum security prison located in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. It was in operation from 1835 to 2013 and was one of Canada's most infamous and well-known prisons. During its 178 years of operation, the penitentiary housed some of Canada's most dangerous criminals. Today, it is closed and has been replaced by modern facilities, but its legacy lives on as a symbol of Canada's criminal justice system. The prison site is now open for guided tours, offering visitors a glimpse into the history of corrections in Canada. 3. Royal Military College of Canada is a federal institution in Kingston, Ontario, that provides undergraduate education and training to commissioned officers in the Canadian Armed Forces. It was established in 1876 and has a long and proud tradition of producing leaders for the Canadian military and public service. RMC offers programs in arts, engineering, and science, with a focus on leadership development and military training. The college is recognized for its rigorous academic programs and high-quality research, and graduates receive a degree from RMC and a commission in the Canadian Armed Forces. 4. Queen's University is a public research university located in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Established in 1841, it is one of Canada's oldest universities and one of the most prestigious universities in the country. Queen's is a medium-sized university with a diverse student body and offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degrees in a wide range of disciplines. The university is known for its research excellence, innovative teaching and learning methods, and strong tradition of student life. Queen's is consistently ranked as one of the top universities in Canada and is widely recognized for its contributions to society through research, innovation, and community engagement. 5. The Agnes Etherington Art Centre is a public art museum located in Kingston, Ontario. It is known for its extensive collections of Canadian and Indigenous art, as well as its exhibitions of contemporary art, decorative arts, and photography. The museum features galleries, a research library, and a courtyard, and is dedicated to promoting the study and appreciation of art and cultural heritage. 6. The Kingston Waterfront is a scenic area along Lake Ontario in Kingston, Ontario. It features parks, beaches, marinas, walking trails, and historic sites, as well as a variety of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. The waterfront is a popular destination for local residents and visitors alike, offering scenic views, opportunities for outdoor recreation, and cultural experiences. It is known for its natural beauty, as well as for its rich history and cultural heritage. 7. City Park is a public park located in Kingston, Ontario. It offers a variety of recreational opportunities, including walking trails, picnic areas, playgrounds, and sports fields. The park is known for its scenic beauty, including its mature trees, lakes, and gardens. It is a popular destination for local residents and visitors, offering a peaceful escape from the city and plenty of opportunities for outdoor recreation and relaxation. 8. Market Square is a public square and shopping area located in Kingston, Ontario. It features a variety of retail shops, restaurants, and cafes, as well as public art and event spaces. The square is known for its historical architecture, as well as for its vibrant street life and lively atmosphere. It is a popular destination for local residents and visitors, offering a unique shopping and dining experience in the heart of the city. 9. The Grand Theatre is a performing arts centre located in Kingston, Ontario. It is known for its diverse programming, including live theatre, music, dance, and comedy performances. The theatre features a large stage, comfortable seating, and state-of-the-art technical facilities, and is dedicated to providing high-quality cultural experiences for audiences of all ages. The Grand Theatre is a popular destination for local residents and visitors, offering a rich cultural experience in the heart of the city. 10. The Kingston Trolley Tour is a hop-on, hop-off sightseeing tour in Kingston, Ontario. The tour features open-air trolleys that take passengers on a scenic journey through the city, stopping at popular attractions, historic sites, and cultural landmarks. The tour provides a unique perspective on the city's history, architecture, and cultural heritage, and is a popular activity for both visitors and local residents. The tour is conducted by knowledgeable guides and provides an entertaining and informative experience for all ages. Thanks for watching.